So I got a new selection of tools today. Um, not the one on the right there. I've had that one, and I'll tell you what, that one, I like that. I don't know what they call it. It's like a rake hoe or something. I don't know. But I got the pitchfork from Ace, and I got the little weeder, Craftsman weeder, and little rake there from Lowe's. Just those three tools, almost $100. It's terrible how expensive those things are now. But you know, it's funny, out of all the machines you have to work around the farm and stuff, a lot can be said for just some good hand tools. Um, I'm gonna go out and use these a little bit. I'm probably not gonna show that, not on this video because I'm tired. Um, it's been a long day at work, and now it is, what time is it? It is 2:56 p.m. And if I did this on video, you guys would probably just leave a bunch of comments about how weak and out of shape I am, which is true, but it's been a hard day at work. So yeah, I'm just gonna go out and play in the garden with these for a little bit, and we'll probably wait for another day, which will be in the same video, um, to actually see them being used. You can see, I've already played. I guess they call that a weed hoe. And I kind of laughed. I was showing my wife how it worked, and she said, I got a little dirt on it, and she said, well, now you got a dirty hoe. I had to laugh at that, but still happy with that Echo Saw. We'll be talking more about that for sure. Um, but yeah, I just wanted to show these before they got completely scratched up and dirty and sun faded and ruined.